Okay, so what's up, guys? Today we are training with my idol, which is Mr. Major Savio Hendricks. And how are you doing, sir?
I'm very fine, very fine. Thank you, Anshu, for inviting me to
Uh,
working out with you on your channel specifically.
Sir, it's my pleasure working out with you. You're Major as well. And today we're gonna be training what?
Today we are going to basically focus on back lats. A lot of, we can start off with deadlifts, and then further on we'll be going on to the pulling movements of lats and working towards building lats as much big as Dorian Yates.
Okay, so we're gonna be doing workout like Dorian Yates today, and let's see what happens. So let's start. Let's go.
Feel the stretch. Perfect, perfect. Come on, yeah. Your regular grip would be somewhere around your shoulders, right? Okay.
Exactly.
This is your somewhere your natural grip. A little wide, it's the lower part of your
Back.
back, latissimus.
Okay.
Now, if you are taking an angle towards the a back, then it will work towards your midsection. But if you are not taking the angle and just hanging straight up and pulling, it will work on your side laterals. This.
Okay.
So you have to hit both sides in a chin up. Okay. Let it stretch first. Now you take the angle.
Okay.
Get the idea? So
Yeah.
both parts of your latissimus muscles
First,
need to be stretched and worked out.
okay. So first I will stretch my lats properly, probably 5 to 6 times, and then I'll gonna
Take the angle.
take the angle. Okay.
That's it. Beautiful. Come on. Perfect. Perfect. Good.
Not so.
Now we'll shift to a little racked deadlifts.
Deadlift racks.
Yeah, racked one.
Object.
That's it, boy. Beautiful. Come on. Same principle again. Everything together. Yes. Yep. Good. Yopa. Come on. That's it. Again. Beautiful. Well, that's a perfect movement. Perfect. Come on. That's it, Biopa. Biopa. Come on. That's it, boy. Beautiful. Come on. That's it, Biopa. Now descent should be slow. Come on. Beautiful. Slower descent. Slower descent. Control it. Beautiful. That's it, boy. Perfect.
Nice one. This one is good. I felt my full lower back this moment.
Beautiful. That's it. Now slow descent. Perfectly slow descent. Beautiful. Come on, you can go for one more. Perfect. Come on. That's it. Beautiful. Come on. Again, take your time. Foothold. Arch your back. Take a deep breath. Pull. Beautiful. That's it. Perfect. Come on, Anshu. You're killing it. Come on. Beautiful. Perfect. That's it. That's it.
Okay. Okay. So, what do you prefer in between the sets? That what you can drink, like to feel so energetic in between the gym. Like I feel exhausted now. So
Okay. Very good question, obviously. But you need to understand that, generally everybody comes equipped, with a lot of carbs, meals, and all during the day.
yeah,
And then you come here to work out. So this kind of, when you're doing some kind of bodybuilding training where you're lifting heavy weights, so that kind of food source will provide you a good amount of energy. Let's say around 25 to 30 minutes if you're doing hard lifting, right? Now, post that there will be a drop
yeah,
in the glycemic index as well as your glucose values
yeah.
or the starch, which is providing energy. During that time, let's say around 25 minutes post, you should take, I preferably take an intake of, specifically because it's summers also, I will take glutamine, BCA or EAA 10 grams, 5 grams of glutamine,
Okay.
2.5 grams of table salt, 10 grams of glucose.
Oh, so it's
This is something like a cocktail that I make with
yeah.
some cold water and keep sipping it
During
during
the
my
workout.
workout post 25 to 30 minutes.
Okay.
Okay. Now this kind of thing can sustain you and your energy levels and your stamina throughout your workout. You need to understand you can go super heavy or heavy only in the first half of your exercise. Post that, if you're trying to go heavy, you will have to take some kind of a you know uh, complex carb kind of a meal.
Yeah.
Maybe a banana also. Okay, maybe a rice cake with a little bit of peanut butter or some chocolate on it.
Yeah.
Okay, but if you are somewhere not extending your workout more than 1.5 hours, then this should work out.
Exactly.
You
So
can also add, yes, creatine HCl on it,
okay.
2.5 grams. This will also help, replenish your ATPs.
Okay.
Adenosine triphosphate, when it breaks down, releases energy. It turns into adenosine diphosphate. Creatine HCl, when included, immediately replenishes that ATP, and your sustenance of picking up weight, heavy weights, goes a bit more longer. Go for a wider grip and let it stretch first.
Okay.
Okay? Arch, then pull.
Got it.
No, no. That's it. Bus. Hold it there only. That's it. Go full deep, then pull. Yes, hold, then go. That's about it.
Got it.
Stick to around 6 to 8 reps.
Okay.
Don't need to go very much on reps.
I used
Do
to train,
perfect reps,
yeah.
but stick to 6 to 8. 6 to 8.
I
6
used
to
to
8.
train mostly like 10 to 12, 10 to 12, 10 to 12,
Yeah.
and then I increase the weights and make a target of making it fail. So what do you think about it? That we should fail every single time?
See, your body will get accustomed to any kind of training that you're doing on a regular basis. Muscle will only grow when you're getting into that zone where you're uncomfortable.
Okay.
Okay, where your body is not able to acclimatize, that is when your body will build muscle to acclimatize to that kind of training.
Yeah.
So if you are failing each and every time, your body has already made up the mind
Yeah.
to fail. All right, you have to always keep changing the methodology.
Okay.
That is why you got to hit heavy, slow down the reps. Okay, you got to hit 80% of the heaviest weight, increase the reps. You can increase the sets, you can decrease the sets. You
Okay.
can go 5-5-5, means 5 sets, 5 reps, and 5 kgs increase every
So
time.
we have to confuse our mind most of the time.
Exactly.
So and we have to shock the muscles 100% of the time.
Good. Perfect reps. Stick to 6 to 8, but they should be perfect.
Fine.
Perfect. Perfect. That's it, boy. That's it. That's it. Beautiful. ठीक है. First attain food, mastery in that
Yeah.
straight form, and then you start taking the angle also.
Come on, come on. Come on, let's go.
Even I was planning to train legs. Now what happens is, legs is one of my favorite parts. It has been one of my causes of losing a lot of competitions because according to judges and according to even my judgment, I don't have that kind of monster legs.
Yeah, that fullerness in your legs.
Full,
Like
yes.
Moinuddin Robbie have, right?
Exactly. So for me, legs is one of the most, you know, I'll say holy days
Yeah.
of training. If I've not slept properly, if I've not taken my 5 meals, if I'm not mentally prepared to hit the gym, I don't hit legs. If I have to take another day off to
Yeah.
do all these things, to get to that kind of training where I can push myself above and beyond my expectations, only then I hit legs. Pull. Let it hang. Yes. Let it hang. Yes. Perfect. Let it hang. Let the weight not affect your posture.
Yeah.
Your body should be rock solid. Only your lats should be using
Yeah.
for pulling up the weights. Control the form. No need to go up to 12, 15 reps. 6 to 8 reps, perfect.
Okay.
That's about it.
Got it.
And in the 8th rep, the weight should be like that you're dying. That's your intention, right?
Okay.
Take your rest. Now hydrate yourself. Give your body a minute.
Yeah.
Why am I saying that? Understand one thing. Your body will attain hypertrophy only when you have come back to the normal threshold of your breathing. The cortisol levels have again come down. Now you are ready to hit the next set. That is how you gauge your preparation.
Okay.
It is not 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. It's when you're normal.
Okay. Got it.
When you're normal, you're not thirsting in your mouth. You drink some water. Take your time. Normalize yourself. Then prepare yourself. Now I'm going to hit that weight and I'm going to conquer that set. I'm going to hit 6 reps is my ideal, but I'm going to target 1 plus. That's how you hit the next set. Not just go 1 minute. Oh,
Yeah, I got it.
understand?
Yeah.
थोड़ा पीछे. Go down. Arch. Yes. Now let it go down here.
Okay.
Okay. Bas.
Got it.
It should come on your lats.
Yeah, it's coming.
Okay. This is where it should come. Angle it towards down if it is not coming.
Yeah, it's coming.
Perfect. Come on. The more down you go, the more angle you'll get. The better the fulcrum at your armpit area. That is where your lats will be held. Exercise the lats and no other muscle other than this. While squeezing it. Yes.
Yeah.
The people who break the normal legacy or channel of every day. All the people who are legendaries have broken the regular life pattern. The minute you start breaking down that regular pattern,
Yeah.
people will have problems with you.
Yeah, exactly.
It is inevitable. And let me tell you, if that is not there, you will never become into a perfect athlete or a champion.
Yeah.
Because that is what is testing your mindset.
Exactly.
So they have to speak. They have to tell you that you are a fucking failure. But at the same time, your actions to speak your legacy. Through my work, I will prove you wrong. I will not speak. All the fighters out there, all the champions don't speak. They let their legacy speak for themselves.
Yeah.
And that's about it.
Too good. Today's workout is very helpful for me as I'm more, I can more feel my mind muscle connection on my back fully.
That is the intention.
Yeah.
That is the result of million failures.
Yeah.
Stretch, stretch, stretch. No need to go above than more to 6 to 8 reps.
Okay.
But do it perfectly. 6 reps, but perfect form. That's it.
At that time, now you're seeing that this time now only after COVID, I think the fitness trend has been so much increased, right? And before that, it was not too much. They were only gym means bodybuilders, right?
There's a very you know prolific interference of the disease called COVID.
Yeah.
It has got a positive aspect and a negative aspect. The negative aspect was always, although I mean very clear that people lost a lot of lives, but then COVID was also a reason where people understood the importance of isolation and then going out to do activities and to mingle with people, understood the more importance of good health and lifestyle to actually live longer and healthier. Okay,
Yeah.
it's always said that only a crisis opens up the 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 possibilities of reality. Before that, people take everything for granted. You understand?
Yeah.
People took health for granted. People took life for granted. Suddenly, when a normal, fever could started killing masses of people and was causing people to stay indoors, that caused people to think, yeah, why can't we go out? Why can't we exercise? Why can't we go and play? Why can't we go in gym? Why can't we go trekking? Why can't we go bicycling
Yeah.
or motorbiking? So these things, not only the gym, it opened a lot of booming things. People wanted to travel more now.
Yeah.
You see, the travel industry is also boomed. So yes, COVID has been a reason to motivate people to a better health, to better healthy lifestyle, better choices in life.
Yeah.
All right.